Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the M2 MacBook Air. This is a 50-inch and a 2023. You can see the RAM is 8 gigabyte and the storage is 256 gigabyte. This is a midnight color, and you can see this is the battery capacity. The battery capacity is 94% and the cycle count 174. This machine slightly usage. You can see the keyboard. Okay, no scratch here, no scratch. The trackpad function also no problem. And let me show you this color had a little problem. Now you can see when I fingerprint, so much fingerprint. You can see the logo. So much fingerprint. When your hand has some water, so it's very easy. Okay. It looks like not beautiful, but you can clean this. Just look like not beautiful. Okay, no scratch in this machine, and you can see here the little bit of scratch here, and then here a little scratch here. A little scratch here. You can see. Here. And let me show you the back cover. Okay, the back cover, no scratch. No problem. Only the corner have some scratch. You see, has some scratch. And also, let me show you the display. I don't remember. Maybe before I share this machine before, but I don't remember. I'm not sure. You can see this good color, good display. It's a display. Okay. Okay. This price is about 4,300. If you want to buy, you can contact me. Also, if you want to know more information about the MacBook, you can subscribe to my channel. Okay. See you in the next video.